Is your Mac slow after updating to macOS Tahoe? Battery draining fast? Worried about security? I'll show you 10 macOS Tahoe settings you must change right now to improve battery life, speed up your Mac, protect your privacy and security, and free up storage space. Let's start with tip 1. Enable low power mode. Open System Settings, click Battery, and select Always from the option menu to reduce energy usage and extend battery life. Tip 2. Reduce screen power usage. Your display is one of the biggest causes of MacBook battery drain. Go to System Settings and click Displays. Lower the brightness and turn on automatically adjust brightness. This simple macOS Tahoe battery setting can immediately extend battery life. Tip 3. Remove unnecessary logging items. Open System Settings and go to General. Click Logging Items and Extensions, and select apps you don't need at startup. Then click the minus button to remove them to prevent apps from launching at startup and help improve battery life. Next, go through the apps under App Background Activity and disable the ones you don't often use. These apps access personal data and device sensors while running in the background. In my case, I turn off the toggle buttons for the following apps. For example, with Google Updater, I can update manually. Background updating is not essential, so it is better to turn it off. As for Microsoft, I leave them on to manage security updates and license validation. Tip 4. Simplify Spotlight search results. Open System Settings and select Spotlight. Under Results from Apps, deselect any apps that you don't want their content to appear in Spotlight search results, such as App Store, Calculator, Calendar, Phone, Dictionary, Shortcuts, and possibly voice memos. To display fewer categories for quicker, uncluttered results. You can also deselect results from the clipboard to prevent personal and sensitive information from appearing in the search results. Tip 5. Reduce transparency and motion effects. Open System Settings, go to Accessibility, click Display, and turn on Reduce Transparency. Next, return to Accessibility, select Motion, and enable Reduce Motion to improve performance and battery life. Tip 6. Turn off Siri. Open System Settings, click Apple Intelligence, and turn Siri off to reduce background processes and enhance privacy, data security, and battery life. Tip 7. Clean up the menu bar. Click System Settings, click Menu Bar, scroll down and uncheck the menu bar controls and third-party system icons that aren't necessary to show in the menu bar. This decreases CPU load and improves battery life. Tip 8. Free up disk space. Dynamic landscape and aerial wallpapers and screensavers can occupy huge storage space. Removing unused wallpapers can instantly free up disk space and improve Mac performance. Open System Settings and select Wallpaper. Click Show All in each section. Hover your mouse pointer over wallpapers without a download arrow. Click the three dots and select Remove Download. By removing these 5 wallpapers, I could free up over 2 gigabytes of storage space on my Mac's SSD. If this has been helpful so far, hit the like button so more Mac users can find this fix. I really appreciate your support. Tip 9. Declutter the Dock. In System Settings, click Desktop and Dock. Then find Show Suggested and Recent Apps in Dock. Turn the toggle off. Your dock becomes cleaner and more organized. Tip 10. Stop Safari from preloading top hits. Open the Safari browser app for this one. Click Safari in the menu bar and select Settings. Next, go to the Search tab and uncheck the Preload Top Hit box. This prevents Safari from connecting to websites you haven't visited yet, helping to protect your privacy and extend battery life. And here is the best part. Watch this video to learn how to prevent unauthorized outgoing connections and protect your data. And watch this one to learn how to correctly configure the macOS built-in firewall. Find the links in the description box below this video. If you're looking for free Mac apps to boost security and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.